Today in this class I am explain about hot air oven. Hot air oven Hot air oven is an instrument operated by electric power used for sterilizing glasswares. Sterilization refers to any process that removes or kills or deactivates all forms of life, that is fungi, bacteria, spores. For example, petri dishes, flasks, tubes, pipettes in microbiological laboratories. In hot air oven, hot air is used to kill microorganisms. Hence, it is also called as dry sterilization unit. Dry hot air is used to kill the microorganisms. Heat is generated by the coil present in it. The hot air has poor penetrating power. The cells were killed due to oxidation of chemical constituents. The oven is made up of an insulated cabinet containing heating elements, shelves, circulating fan, thermostat, thermometer, and a door. It consists of a big chamber into which the materials to be sterilized are kept. A fan is set at the bottom of the oven which forces steam of hot dry air circulating through the chamber, resulting in rise in chamber temperature to sterilize the materials. A thermometer is fitted for recording the temperature of the oven. Effective sterilization is done at 160 degrees centigrade for a period of 2 hours. When temperature is raised to 1800 degrees centigrade, the duration of exposure may be reduced to 20 minutes. At 120 degrees centigrade, the time required is 3 hours. The walls of the sterilizer are made of stainless steel or aluminum and are so devised that the heat conduction from inside to outside is completely prevented. And the precaution is the oven should not be overloaded. There should be space for circulation of air between the articles, and the temperature of the oven should not exceed 180 degree centigrade, and the oven must be allowed to cool before opening. The second instrument is autoclave. This is the structure of autoclave. Autoclave is an electrical apparatus used to sterilize glasswares, liquids, culture media and other apparatus by steam under pressure. Water boils when its vapor pressure becomes equal to that of the surrounding atmosphere. Saturated steam has high penetrating power. When pressure inside the closed vessel increases, temperature at which water boils also increases, the water vapors and steam is generated. Sterilization by steam under reduced pressure is carried out at a temperature between 108 degree centigrade and 147 degree centigrade. Generally, the autoclave is operated at a pressure of approximately 15 lb per inch square at 121 degree temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. The time of operation at the temperature or pressure level to achieve complete sterility depend upon the nature of materials being sterilized, the type of container and the volume of the materials. The autoclave is a metallic vessel made up of stainless steel or copper. It is a double-walled cylinder. Its one end is closed and the other end is open. The open end has a lid. The lid is provided with a pressure gauge for absorbing pressure. A steam cook to let out the air and safety valve. It is also provided with a temperature and pressure control. The closed end is provided with a heating element and a resting plate. Water is filled below the level of resting plate. The articles to be sterilized are kept in a basket on the resting plate of resting plate. The current is passed and the water is allowed to boil. The lid is closed airtight. The temperature inside the autoclave at 1 lb pounds pressure is about 121 degrees centigrade. This temperature is sufficient to kill all the microorganisms. After the desired time of exposure to steam under pressure, the supply of heat is cut off and steam pressure in the autoclave allowed to come down to zero before opening the lid for removal of sterilized materials. Precaution: it is important to note that it is not pressure, rather it is the high temperature of the steam that kills the organisms. Therefore, the air in the chamber of autoclave must be completely replaced by the pure steam. If air is present, it will reduce the temperature of the steam attained within the chamber substantially below. This can be done by keeping the steam outlet open until pure steam starts going out. Too much loading must be avoided because this would prevent proper circulation of steam. When the pressure or temperature reaches the required level, that is 15 lb per inch square, time counting should be started. The required 15 lb per inch square pressure must be maintained constantly for the required period of time. Thank you.